สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hello everyone, welcome to Mod Wow channel. Today I'm so excited to make this video and to share with you all what I got today. This is gonna be unboxing video. It is my first unboxing video as well as my first Gucci items that I have. It's actually the birthday gift from my husband. Special thanks to him. Okay, if you are new here, my name is Mod, and I'm so happy to show you what I got today. So let's get started. Right, I got Gucci bag right here. Let me untie the bow quickly. Alright, okay. Let's put this guy away, and this is the box, and the box is so like nice and smooth, and okay, I'm so excited. Okay, this is what come in the box. Give me a second, guys. Let me open this and unwrap. Let's see what in the box. Okay, so I see here, this is a bag, the storage bags, and just want to tell you guys that this is so like, it's so silky and smooth. The bag is so pretty. All right, and also here they give you extra shoelace as well. Okay, let's get into the shoes. In the bags is have the information card, 4 of them. It's like a Gucci information card, as well as my sales associate just put this care instruction for me as well. Okay, this is the shoes. Is Gucci S sneakers. It is my first luxury sneaker ever, and it is my first Gucci items. I'm so excited. Okay, this is what it look like. This is in the front. It's plain, and I just want to show you, if you can see the stitches. It's so neat, and on the outside it have the embroidered B with the stripe, and the inside is have the stripe red and white. Also on the back of the shoes is have different colors, which is gray and green, and also the I'm not sure if you can see, is reflection look like snake skins. I'm not sure it's the real snake skins, because snake skins pearl is very pricey, but well, if someone knows, just let me know. Okay, let's see the bottom of the shoes. Alright, this is so cool. And also this is Gucci made in Italy. The size that I have is 37 and a half. It's in Europe size or Italy size, equal to size 7 in US, I believe. And normally when I read the reviews, the most blogger said that these kind of shoes run bigger, so you should go down, like half side down or one side down. Inside is leather. If you guys can see, I want to show you, it's all white, and it's very soft, and on the heel right here it has cushion, so it's just so comfortable when you wear. I think I'm gonna wear socks with this too, because I don't want inside to get dirty, and it's going to be hard to clean. So cute, and this is so chic. It's classic, and I think I can wear this a lot more often, because it's not high heel, it's the sneakers, that you can wear any day, anywhere, anytime, dress up or dress down. So I'm just really like this shoe, these sneakers. I have an eye on them for quite a while. Even they came out maybe 2 years ago, but I really like this, and I picked this size because I think it's classic. I didn't get the one that have some model or they have like heart or stars or love or a lot of styles that come with the Gucci Ace, but I choose the classic one because I want to wear them long time. So I just like the piece that it's never outdated, so it will be timeless. Okay, I hope you guys like this sneakers just like me. Have this Gucci S? Please let me know in the comment, and please share with me how do you like it, how do you feel about this Gucci S. I will come back and make another video to review after I wear this for a few months. So thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for being here with me. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss my video. And again, my name is Mot. Nice to meet you all, and I appreciate you all. Alright, I will see you in my next video. Bye!